I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure you're on an administrator account and the laptop is plugged in. This avoids interruptions. Once ready, open Settings from the Start menu and choose Bluetooth and Devices so Windows refreshes the current device list. Now turn Bluetooth on briefly to populate paired devices. This step ensures Windows shows every device tied to your profile. You'll need this list visible, because the next step is removing items one by one and via Device Manager when necessary. Once the paired list is visible, click a device, open the three-dot menu, and choose Remove Device. Confirm the prompt to delete its pairing record. After removing visible items, press Windows key plus X and open Device Manager to clear drivers and ghost entries. Make hidden devices visible via View, show hidden devices, then expand Bluetooth and remove any orphan devices or duplicate adapters. Doing both Settings and Device Manager ensures pairings and drivers are cleaned, preventing automatic repairing later. After removing devices and driver entries, restart the PC to finalize changes and let Windows reload a clean Bluetooth stack. If any devices reappear, use Settings Bluetooth and Devices and click More Bluetooth options to uncheck Discovery. Then consider Network Reset under Recovery as a stronger option. If problems persist, download and reinstall the Bluetooth driver from your OEM or use Device Manager to update or roll back drivers. This resolves driver corruption that can reintroduce ghost devices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.